So I go, okay, this is the one that has y by itself. I'm going to take this stuff right here, and I'm going to go into the other equation and put it into where the y is. Okay, now, so I go 2x, I write everything else down, 2x minus 3, and then I have to put this in brackets because I got that minus 3 out there. Before I didn't really have anything out, so I was okay. Why is it minus 9? Yeah, negative 3 times 3. Okay, we've done those. Then I'm going to combine like terms over here really carefully and get negative x minus 9 equals negative 8. Ask. Go ahead. Why is it negative? Because it's negative. Because this thing, there's a negative and there's a positive, right? And a negative times a positive is a negative. Because there's only one minus. There's not two. Okay, here I go. I'm going to keep going. Are we all right? I'm going to add 9. Do these if you want to. If you're in the mood, you can do these, especially for your notes, so when you look back, you can see what you did. And then how do you get rid of a negative here? Times by negative 1 or divide by negative 1, or just go, well, if negative x is positive 1, then x is negative 1. Okay? All right, now, I found part of the answer, and it's that negative 1 right there. How am I going to find that part of it? Yep, I'm going to go into equation 2 because it's solved for y. So I'm going to write sub back into find y for my note-taking skills. I'm going to go y equals negative 1 plus 3. So I put it in there in the yellow one. I'll make it yellow. So y equals 2. So I've got my whole point. That's where those two intersect. Now, I'm going to just pause on this video. And since y equals that and y equals that, we set the two things equal to each other because they're both equal to y, and then we solve. And then we're going to do this sub back in to find y. Does it matter which one you sub into? You guys do that one and you guys do that one. Let's do two different ones. Doesn't matter. If I put it into this one, I get negative 3 plus 2, which is negative 1. And if I decided instead to use that one, I'd get negative 1 as well. Oops.
How do you work out that one?
Who just said that?
If it's in brackets, do you both put
Times.
So it's
Yeah. So the answer is 1 comma negative 1. Why are we getting 1? Did you just say that? What do you mean? Why are we getting these? Yes. Yeah, I want the x and the y.